Paneldes is a 3D plant electrical design system. Paneldes provides tools for inserting your electrical equipment to the 3D plant environment. Equipment can be selected from catalogs or from your current project data. When placing components, you can use all of the AutoCAD object snap tools to locate items easily. Devices and instruments can be selected directly from your Instrument Manager database bill of materials. Using the AutoCAD X-Refing system, you have the flexibility to show as much or as little of the 3D structural, mechanical and piping as you wish. The Paneldes Raceway construction tools allow you to create trench, conduit, tray, ladder and duct banks. Each raceway segment is intelligent and understands its cabling functions, such as cable fill capacity, power segregation, and bend radius calculation. The raceway tools provide parametric shapes for corners, risers, reducers, T's, X's, and linear pieces of raceway. Raceway can also be created by tracing an AutoCAD 3D polyline entity. This allows complicated runs to be traced from other software, such as Plant 3D. Paneldes provides a duct bank editor to assist in creating large arrays of conduit fast.